How to open an account in Scalable Capital. Follow my instructions. If you want to start investing with zero hassle, Scalable Capital makes it easy to open an account in minutes. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you begin. First, download the Scalable Capital app from the App Store or Play Store. Open the app and tap Get Started. Choose whether you want a broker or managed portfolio. Next, answer questions about your investing goals, risk level, and experience. After that, enter your personal details. Include name, address, date of birth, and tax ID, if applicable. Now it's time to verify your identity. Scalable uses video identification. You'll need your passport or national ID and a working camera. Follow the agent's instructions and hold your ID clearly to the screen. Once verified, connect your bank account for deposits and withdrawals. You may also be asked to confirm small test deposits. After this, your Scalable account will be created. You can now log in, add funds, and start investing. That's how you open an account in Scalable Capital in 2025. Thanks for watching.